Hello everyone, welcome back to the video series of getting started with HTML. So in this series, we will be learning about the basics of HTML, and we will dive into the advanced concept like elements, attributes, heading, style, formatting, and colors, and linking the CSS and so on. So we will learn the basic concept of HTML to the advanced concept into this series. So let's get started. So to get started with HTML, so we just need one IDE or a code editor. So we will be using the VS Code. So we just need to download the VS Code first. So for that, just go to any of the browsers. So I will be going with the Chrome. So you can just go with any browser and search for download VS Code and just click enter. So you just need to go to the first link from code.visualstudio.com. So just go into that. And since I'm using the Mac, so if you're using Windows or Linux, so you can just download accordingly and install that. So I will be installing on my Mac, so I will just choose the Apple Silicon. So since I have MacBook M1, and let me just download and just click on save. So you can see the zip file has been downloaded. Let me just show in Finder and let me just double click to install. And let me just drag and drop into the applications, and let me just close everything from here. And if I just go to the launchpad and search for VS Code, so now this should open the VS Code. Let me just click on open. So this is the general interface you will be able to see once you install the VS Code. So let me just keep everything default, and let me just go at the top here. You can see the Explorer, so you just need to click on that. And let me just close everything from here and just click on this open folder. And the next thing is, so you just need to choose the folder. So I will make one folder into the desktop. Let me call it HTML series, or you can give any name. And let me just click on create and just click on create, and let me just trust the author. So you can see the HTML series has been opened. So now to create the new file, so you can just click here on new file and just type index.html. So you just need to make sure to give the name with the .html extension. So let me just click enter. So you can see, so this has created the index.html. So if I just go inside here into this folder, so you can see the index.html has been created. So once you do that, so you just need to write the HTML code. So there are the tags, so we just need to write the tags. So the first tag is this is the basic structure of HTML. So you just need to write the HTML. So this should auto close this tag. And the next one is, so we just need to write the head, and so this should also close the head. And inside here, so head, we will be writing the title. So title of the document, so the title should be something like this, demo HTML, or you can give a name. So after this head, so we just need to write the content. So content is written inside the body, so we just need to give the body tag. So inside this body tag, so I will be writing some heading. So for heading, just give the h1 tag and just give something like my first heading. And now I just want to write the paragraph as well. So paragraph, so for paragraphs, you just need to write the p tag and just write something like this is devmate, or you can just give your name. And to run this program, so here you can see, so the dot sign, so it means the file is not saved. So you just need to save the file. So for that, just type Ctrl or S or Command and S in the Mac. So if you're using Windows or Linux, you can just type Ctrl and S. So this should save the file. So once you save the file, so we just need to run also. So for running the application, so you can see the sign, this kind of sign. So this is for extension. So just click on extension and search for live server. So just search for live server, and you can see the live server. So since I have already installed, so if you haven't installed, so this should show the sign of install. So you just click on install, so that should install the live server. So once the live server is installed, so if you just right click, and so you will be able to see this open with live server option. So just click on that live server. So what this will basically do is directly runs the HTML code into the browser, so you don't need to reload the browser again and again. So once you do that, so if you just see here, so let me just split the screen here, and if you want to zoom this one, so you can just type Control plus in Windows or Linux, and in Mac just type Command and plus, so you can see this will zoom, and just click here. So what this live server will do is, if I just type something like P, and this is second paragraph, and if I just type Control and S to save, so you can see, so we don't need to reload the browser. So this is how the live server works, and this is our first HTML program.